Ash Wednesday marks the start of the holiest time on the Christian calendar. A new art installation at the Cathedral of St. John the Divine is trying to bring a visual representation to Lent. With us from Morningside Heights, New York one's Michael Scott. Good morning, Michael.
Good morning, Pat. Yeah, people have been coming all morning long to get their ashes. You can get them inside and outside. And for the people, though, who come inside, they're in for a really nice treat. This new art installation that was recently installed, and it looks like it's floating in air. These glass-like sculptures are being hoisted high above the Cathedral of St. John the Divine. They're part of a massive new art installation based on the biblical story of Jesus helping desperate fishermen find a plentiful catch.
They were having no luck at all, and Jesus told them to cast their net on the other side or cast their net again, and all of a sudden they brought in more fish than you could imagine. In John's story, they brought in 153 fish.
153 is also the number of sculptures that will eventually hang from the ceiling of the cathedral once the installation is complete. Some are purple, some clear, and others pink, all slightly representative of fish. They're the work of German-based artist Aljoscha. He created them specifically for the cathedral by heating and then bending lightweight acrylic glass. This is the largest installation he's ever done in the United States.
It's absolutely outstanding space in terms of dimensions. It is absolutely one of the largest churches in the world.
The cathedral is known for bringing art into its vast nave. Several years ago, these massive birds hung in the same spot. Church leaders say what's different about this exhibit is that it's specific to a liturgical season, in this case, Lent.
Lent, in our understanding, is all about baptism. It's all about people preparing for baptism at Easter. And so to have an installation in the church that's so much about water, it seems to me is a perfect installation for Lent.
And Pat, right now there are 103 sculptures suspended from the ceiling. The remaining 50 will be put up shortly before Easter, and this installation will remain on display until about mid-May. And if you want more information, you can go to the website stjohnthedivine.org.
So you're at the main level of the cathedral. Somewhere below you is where this installation was put together?
Yeah, over the last few weeks, the artist was working in the crypt below, heating the glass, bending the glass, cutting the glass, or it's actually acrylic glass. It's not actually real glass. It's acrylic glass. It's really lightweight, but he was working, shaping these sculptures over the last few weeks in the crypt below, and then he brought them up over the last few days to hang them above where we are right now.
Right.